Yeah. Remix. Doof, baby. Her sex is bomb, and her head is straight. On a scale of 1 to 10, I gave her ass an 8. Brunch and dinner, I'm talking bed and breakfast. Nightly walks on the beach, I'm giving diamond pendants. Girl, you the bestest, shower you with presents. The bestest present is when I'm in your fucking presence. Walking side by side, got all hand in hand. And you call me daddy when you know I'm just your man. Is this how love feels, or is this how love goes? Just like a fire burning, I can see in your soul. No, there is no limitation and there is no deliberation. This time is running out, the jumbo jet is waiting. You only got minutes wasting, girl, I can't be impatient. I just wanna answer from you. Will you be mine until the end of time? Until I can't think of another way, in another day, in another place, in another rhyme. Do you love this dick? Are you big right now? Wanna jump on it? Is it hurting? I know that I do it to you. I'm 11 inches, but I couldn't do it to you. When she said, hell yeah, hell yeah, hell yeah. Fuck me right, alright. She said, hell yeah, hell yeah, hell yeah. Fuck me right, alright. So I'm digging in her guts and I'm sweaty as fuck. 4 hours for fucking and I haven't bust a nut. Now I'm switching positions from the bed to the kitchen. She had to tap out cause I hit it like a truck. 10-minute break and she hopped up on my dick. She called up her friend and it looked just like her twin. Double D's and caramel tone skin. Freaking reeking weekend, I'm about to get it in. I said, do you love this dick? If you was in it right now, would you really feel horny? Are you wet? I figured that shit was so true. If you got another girl, I could fuck her like you. And she said, hell yeah, hell yeah, hell yeah, dude, fuck me right all night. She said, hell yeah, hell yeah, hell yeah, fuck me right all night.